Hello students, in this video I will explain a few sample problems related to the concentration of solution. So question is, a solution contains 50 ml of alcohol mixed with 150 ml of water, then calculate the concentration of solution. So in this question, solution contains a liquid solute which is alcohol mixed with a liquid solvent which is water. So we have to calculate the concentration of this solution in terms of volume percentage of solute which is alcohol. Now we know that the concentration of solution when solute is liquid is volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. So in this question given is volume of solute which is alcohol, and the solvent is water. Okay, so volume of alcohol is 50 ml and volume of water is 150 ml. So volume of solution is what? Volume of solution, okay, is what? 50 plus 150 means addition of solute plus solvent, then we get value of solution which is equal to 200 ml. And the formula of concentration of solution when solute is liquid is what? Volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. So in this case solute is alcohol, okay, and volume of solution when we adding the value of the amount of alcohol plus water, then we get 200 ml which is volume of solution. So volume of solute is 50 ml which is alcohol and solution is 200 ml into 100. So what we get? 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25%, means the concentration of solution in this case is 25%. Now next question is, if 2 ml of acetone present in 45 ml of its aqueous solution, then calculate concentration of this solution. So first of all, in this question solute it is also in liquid state, that's why concentration of solution in this question the formula is volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. And in this question 2 ml of acetone present in 45 ml of its aqueous solution. What is the meaning of aqueous? When solvent is water, means acetone dissolve in water. So here the value of solution already given, so here no need to find out the value of solution. So first of all in this case given is what? Given what is volume of solute, okay, volume of solute, and what is solute in this case? It is acetone which is 2 ml, and volume of solution, volume of solution means it is aqueous solution of acetone plus water, okay. So here it is given 45 ml, okay. So apply the formula which is volume of solute which is acetone divided by volume of solution, aqueous solution of acetone. Acetone dissolve in water into 100. So volume of solute in this case is 2 ml and volume of solution already given, it is 45 ml. Okay, now it is what, 200 divided by 45, which is equal to 4.4%.